Welcome to this breath awareness meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position and gently close your eyes or lower your gaze to a soft point in front of you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that once more, inhaling fully, feeling the air fill our lungs, and then exhale and feel your body relax just a little more. Now allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. There's no need to change it, simply observe. If your mind starts to wander or noise interrupts, that's completely okay. Just gently bring your attention back to the breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils. And as you exhale, pay attention to how the air feels as it leaves your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or the gentle movement of your stomach. Let each breath be a reminder that you are here now. Continuing to rest in this rhythm, simple, steady, and calm. Let's take a few moments of stillness, focusing on our breath. Now take one more deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body and the space around you, and then slowly open your eyes.